the best actor in a leading role, Telugu, goes to none other than the new pan-India star and our own icon star, Allu Arjun.
Icon star Allu Arjun garu for the movie Pushpa the Rise. Give it up for Allu Arjun garu, everybody. Come on, Pushpa.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Good evening, everybody. Thank you, Saima, for giving me this honor, and congratulations for completing 10 years of Saima. And it's very special also by receiving it from one of my good friend and one of my good directors, Hari Shankar Garu. It's very special. Obviously, if I got this award, it's only because of one person's vision and one person's effort. And it is his desire that I get this award. Thank you so much, darling. I love you. ఈ అవార్డ్ నా చేతిలో ఉంది కానీ నీ వల్ల వచ్చింది. Every actor is just as good as his, every artist is as good as his director's desire. Thank you so much. This is your desire. Thank you. And I would also like to thank all my artists for supporting me in the scenes, because I couldn't have performed like that without my beautiful artist support. And my technicians, especially my music director Devi Shri Prasad, who's given me the biggest album in the country, 5 billion and more. Thank you so much, my dear love Devi Shri Prasad, rock star. And all my technicians and my special producers, Maitri Naveen Garu, Ravi Garu, Cherry Garu. Thank you so much for believing in us. ఎప్పుడు ఒక్కసారి ఒక్క మాట అడగకుండా మమ్మల్ని నమ్మి ఇంత సినిమా తీసినందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఇంకెవరైనా మర్చిపోయి ఉంటే క్షమించండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ యూ. అండ్ ఇవాళ ఒక చిన్న విషయం షేర్ చేసుకుందాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఫర్ ఎవ్రీబడి హూ వాంట్స్ టు అచీవ్ సంథింగ్, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ సేయింగ్ దిస్ బికాస్ ఐ హావ్ అచీవ్డ్ సంథింగ్. ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ దిస్ బికాస్ ఐఎమ్ ఆన్ ద జర్నీ ఆఫ్ అచీవింగ్ సంథింగ్. And there are so many of you who are on the same journey. So to all my friends who are on the same journey, everybody who wants to achieve something, please remember. So to all my friends who wants to achieve something in life, just like me, just remember, there's only one thing stopping you from the infinite possibility of achieving something. There's only one thing that is stopping us. You just have to remember, that is your own self. The own fake story that you tell yourself that is stopping you from all the greatness. Don't let that fake story stop you from achieving what you want. It's very, very important. You can give all the, you can give all the fake stories to yourself. Oh, I come from a certain background. Oh, I have this problem. Oh, I look in a certain way. Oh, I do this. Don't let your narrative stop you from achieving anything in the world. Each one of you have infinite potential to achieve anything. If I could, anybody can. So I'm not greater than anyone, I'm not lesser than anyone. We all have equal infinite potential to achieve it. Classic example we can see here, Naveen Polishetty. I'm so happy that the narrative that, oh, my father sacrificed something for his life, to feed plate on my food, so I have to do the same. He didn't let that narrative stop him. We all fall for the tricky narratives. Don't let that fake narrative story stop you. Each one of you have infinite potential like each one of us. And Ranveer Singh, thank you so much, especially for being such a sport. You're such a sweetheart. And I'm telling you, as much as I'm very happy receiving this award, but it was equally happy to see you do all the history of Pushpa. It's like the first time I'm seeing another actor doing all the Pushpa stars. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the love. Such a sport. And ఇంకా లాస్ట్లో సరదాగా వెళ్ళే ముందు చిన్న డైలాగు పుష్పలో చెప్పేసి రేలు బిత్తిరినాయాల నువ్వు ఇడిసేసినావు కాబట్టి నేను పోలా, నేను పోదాం అనుకున్నాను కాబట్టి పోయినా. ఏంది పుష్ప అంటే ఫ్లవర్ అనుకుంటువా? ఫైర్ తగ్గేదెల బెస్ట్ యాక్టర్ తగ్గేదెల థ్యాంక్ యూ సుకుమార్ తగ్గేదెల లాస్ట్ బట్ నాట్ ద లీస్ట్ I would like to extend exactly what Ranveer Singh said. You know, we are diverse. There's south, there's north, there's east, there's west, there's central, there's blah, 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 blah. But today, we're in a wonderful time. You can't define what is what. Because in today's cinema, everybody is mixed up. For example, since I'm in let's take KGF. You have Sanjay Dutt in that. You have Ravina Tandon Garu in that. You know, they're Bollywood actors. It's all mixed up. You know, in Triple RR, you have Ajay Devgan Garu. You know, you have Alia Bhatt playing, a role. So we're all mixed up. We're all coming of an age. Slowly, we'll be diffusing away from this old narrative called South cinema, North cinema, this cinema, that cinema. We all will be evolving as one cinema, that is Indian cinema. Together, we all should grow. Yes, there will still be a diversity. That is the beauty of this country. We will still be diverse and still we'll be united together, celebrate each other. And just like Ranveer Singh said, if any one of us from any industry gives a hit to the whole country or gives international recognition, we all will celebrate it as Indian cinema. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Good night.
Thank you.